If you've been following my videos, you'll notice that I'm going to redo a fragrance that I did a couple of weeks ago, but I believe that the video didn't get as much attention as I really thought it was going to, because I think I didn't introduce this fragrance well enough, and I apologize for that, and I apologize to this bottle of fragrance in my hand. But I really want to retry this video, and you'll see why I mean that, because it's just one fragrance that's very close to my heart, and it's a brand, a fragrance house is also very close to my heart. You would know that. You know, I'm a big fan of Cutlash, and this again is Shiaka Shadow. Now, again, ladies and gentlemen, I am introducing you and reviewing you Shiaka Shadow because I love it, and I feel that not enough people saw this bottle. Yeah, there's a lot of reviews on TikTok and everywhere for this fragrance, but I wanted to redo it because I feel that it didn't get enough attention on my site than it should and it deserves. So I will be starting again with Shiaka Shadow, and just again, guys, just look at these bottles. I mean, you saw the opening now as well, but I mean, Cutlash is just overdoing themselves with these stunning bottles. Now, I've got 3 of these already, and a 4th one as well is a lady's fragrance. And I'm just so impressed, not just with the bottling, but with the juice inside and just the smell of this. Now, you've seen this before now. It's got nice spray to it, and it's beautiful grapefruit, pink pepper, lavender fragrance to it with top notes. Then you get cashmere, amber, and cedar. And then, of course, it breaks down with a moss, patchouli, and musk basis. But this is a beautiful, bold, versatile and long-lasting fragrance. Now, with the moss, patchouli, and the musk, that gives you longevity on this fragrance. But honestly, guys, it's just beautiful. It's a marvelous, marvelous fragrance. You know, it's the Carolina Herrera Cobalt, Bad Boy Cobalt dupe. I smelled that before, but I wasn't as impressed as I'm impressed with the Shiaka Shadow. But it smells divine. It's a beautiful, manly fragrance. Wear every day. 7 out of 10 on this one. Longevity is good. You get about 6 hours on it. Projection is brilliant. It does project very well. You can light up your whole office with 1 or 2 sprays of this. But it's nice. Guys, I apologize for doing this again, but I just felt that I had to redo this video and just show you again the marvelousness of Shiaka Shadow, the freshness of Shiaka Shadow, the fruitiness and the muskiness of this fragrance is just marvelous, and honestly, beautiful fragrance, and it's not getting the attention that it deserves.